Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome back to Full Pops 3D. Now, guys, hilarious news. Here we go again. Another app, dude. This is the third app now I've gone back to today that I've covered on my channel, calling them a scam months ago. Now, the PayPal element and the real life winning element for prizes has been removed from their apps. Dude, what is going on right now? What is happening? This is the third app. Are we making that much of a difference here? That's amazing to me. Now, to show you what I mean, top right corner of the screen, right, of Full Pops 3D, there used to be a PayPal symbol, okay? That's all it used to be, like a little PayPal symbol, and they would say you won real life money, okay? Just remember that. Now, literally, there's nothing. There's no... Where's the sound? There's no sound in this app as well. Look, alright? Nothing. An ad would play. Usually an ad would have just played them, by the way, because we just beaten a stage or like got some numbers together. When those fireworks went off last time, there used to be an ad up here, okay? So just remember that. I've got video evidence of how this app used to be. Now, it's just a shell of itself. Guys, we did it. We beat it. Another app has been conquered. Developers have pulled their heads in and they've actually realized they can't scam the public, which is fantastic. So yeah, this is it. This is Full Pops 3D now. See, this is what's funny to me. Without the whole real life winning element to the apps are just so bare bones and so basic, bro. It's incredible. It freaks me out. Like, guys, these like apps are just literally throwaway apps. Honestly, they're just throwaway apps, bare shells of themselves. All they were really meant to do was generate money for the developer. And I'm so happy we have all gone on this journey together this year to try and bust these apps, okay? I'm up to over 150 videos covering apps on my channel, and I couldn't be happier. We've destroyed them. We've absolutely destroyed these apps, bro. Well, there's no ad, dude. You only got one ad at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. There's no more ads. For instance, I'm going to show you what Full Pops 3D used to be. You ready? So let me just quickly minimize this one, bring this one up. There we go. So here's my video on Full Pops 3D, everyone. If you have a look here, top right corner of the screen, there's PayPal. So, hang on, wait, where are we? PayPal 000. See the PayPal symbol? Now, if you have a look, there we go. See all those explosions that came up when I was playing just 2 seconds ago? Look at that on the screen. There's the same explosion, but this time, it's a PayPal reward. See what I mean? Dude, it's gone. Like, Full Pops 3D has been beaten. It's gone. The developers either been told off by Google to fix their stuff, or they've decided to pull their head in and take the scam elements away from their apps. That's 3 apps now that have removed the scam elements within that I've checked today. Like, legitimately, since our video has been made. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it, everyone. It just shows you that these apps were all legitimately scams. And like, I wasn't expecting this kind of response. Like, I didn't think that the developers would actually take the scam elements out of their app. I mean, it's amazing. It's good, and I'm happy about it, but how do you get back the time that people have spent on your app already expecting to win real life money? Because the bottom line is, everyone, people only play these apps because they thought they were going to get real life money. And so many people have been literally scammed out of their time, which is very, very sad. But yeah, this is it. This is the app, bro. This is all it is. I love it. I do plan on covering a lot of other apps on my channel as well, everyone. So the thing is, right, now that I know that a lot of these apps are changing the way their games look, okay, I'm going to go back in time and I'm going to look at the videos that I think that you guys will care about the most. And I'm going to go in and try and do a recap video on them. So I've done 3 of them today already. 3 apps, everyone, and they've all taken the scam elements out of their app. It is insane. I really wasn't expecting it. I'm sure you guys weren't expecting that either. But how do they, like, even though they took the scam elements out, that's great and all, but what about the people you've scammed already? So, yeah, again, this is a terrible way to build an app, everyone, if you're an app developer. Do not try and release an app with the promise of real life money, then just to take the real life money element away. I mean, because now it looks like an even bigger scam. The fact they took the real life element of money out makes them look so guilty. It's unbelievable. So yeah, it's hilarious to me, everyone. It really is. That's 3 videos, and eventually I might do a documentary style of video showing you guys all these apps and what they're trying to do here on the Play Store, because it's absolutely ridiculous. It really is. One of those situations where you wouldn't know that this app used to promise real life money. The only way you'd know is by checking my older videos. Like, literally, if you played this now, you wouldn't even know, guys. Like, you'd probably think I'm literally crazy. But, yeah. This is it. This is Full Pops 3D. This is what it's devolved into. And I couldn't be happier in a way. It's good. The app's probably dead now. No one's going to play it anymore. Why would you? It's nothing special. Look at it, literally. This is it. It's a fantastic feeling. I do have a lot of work planned, though, for the channel. Everyone, was still growing dramatically, so thank you all so much. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Without you guys, I would be screwed. So, yeah, I really do appreciate it. I hope you're still sharing my channel to your friends out there, and anyone that you know that's playing these stupid apps that, you know, try and scam you. But, yeah, Full Pops 3D, done. They've removed the scam elements. Not much more really to say about that one, honestly. I mean, it's a bad app in general. I mean, what do you really do? Look, this is the app, dude. What's the point? It's such a bare bones concept without the real life money elements, which is hilarious to me because it just shows you they got nothing to fall back on. Once they run out of the real life money elements to it, the apps are useless, literally. So anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you all do enjoy my channel, this video of course as well. But yeah, I got nothing else to say about Full Pops 3D. It's one of those rare occasions where I wasn't expecting to actually see no real life money elements. To me, this is just like a standard app now. It's a boring standard app. And eventually, I think it's going to... Well, now it's probably died out completely since they've probably stopped running ads on it now as well. Due to the fact that it's not making any more money for them. So, yeah, common sense, everyone. Would you want to put ads on an app that's not making money for you? You got to think about that carefully, you know what I mean? Can't even merge these two together now. That's alright. Alright, well, yeah, everyone, stay safe. Please remember to check out my channel. And, yeah, obviously, I'm thinking about making a Discord soon, by the way. But, of course, I clicked on that accidentally. Lucky Toss 3D, another app that's completely changed its tune, by the way. That's completely removed all scam elements. And I might even do another video on it again, to be honest with you. That's hilarious to me. But yeah, I'm thinking about making a Discord. I just don't know what it would be about, and like how do I regulate it, how to make sure it's all okay. Maybe time will tell. We'll get there eventually. All right, either way, I'll let you all know in a video soon. Plus, I have a 5,000 subscriber special coming up soon as well, which is fantastic. But yeah, man, it's been a hell of a ride, and Full Pops 3D is completely destroyed. So that's the end of that app. A scam has been beaten again, and we can go to sleep knowing that people won't be wasting their time on this app anymore. Either way, thank you very much, everyone. I'll catch you all next video tomorrow. See you then. Catch you around.